Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a video featuring the At Foresight palette, which is the Colourpop X Rawbeautykristi collab. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a video with the Colourpop X Rawbeautykristi palette. I know this has been out for a little bit, but I figured I'd do a look on this because it is still fairly popular. I don't know if it's in stock right now. I know they restocked it at least once. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty palette. I think I'm gonna go mostly with the greens today. And I'm going to I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. So we'll see. So I'm gonna start out with concealer around my eyes like I always do. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, I think that's what it's called, and C1. My stomach's making noises. Okay. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my Shot SA blender. And then I'm gonna go in with my powder, my banana powder from Essence, and just powder my eyes before I start anything else. So I just used my e.l.f. eye defining tape. So I'm gonna start with a fiddlehead, which is this matte olive green here. After I put my primer, I forgot my primer. I'm gonna use my Milani Eye Primer. And if you guys wanna let me know what palette you're interested in, I think I'm gonna do another makeup collection video soon, so then you guys can see what I have. And you can tell me what kind of tutorials you wanna see. I figured this was a good one because it's still a newer palette. Because honestly, I don't want to increase my makeup collection too much. So, I mean, I still want you guys to enjoy the videos, but I don't want to buy like every new Colourpop release because the last few I haven't even liked. I just want to be a little more cautious with my spending because I feel overwhelmed by my makeup collection sometimes. And I don't even have that much compared to some people. I'm just going to start building that color up the outer portion of my lid and then into the crease. I'm just going in lightly because it is a very pigmented color. So I'm just gonna go in on the other eye real quick. So I'm gonna go in with, I think, Old Growth to help blend out this crease shade a little bit because it's a little dark. And we'll see how it goes from there. I was thinking about using Chantilly, but I don't want it to be like a warm toned green look. I'm going for a more cooler toned green look, and this is like a cool toned mauve shade. So I'm just gonna lightly dust that on the crease, where the crease ends. And then I'm gonna go back in with Fiddlehead again. I think that looks more, I like that better. Okay, I'll be right now. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Brulee shade just to blend it out around the crease. Just a little bit, because I feel like I darkened it up a little much. So I just wanna lighten up by the inner corner area and blend on my brow bone. On some people it looks really good, like the color all the way up to their brow bone, but for me it just looks like a little much. Then I'm gonna go in with Emerald City, only on the outer portion of my eye. And concentrate that right here, because I want to add like the cool tone green to it, because I want to keep this more of a cool tone look. Not too much. I'm just lightly concentrating it on the outside. I'm using the same brush. I didn't even mention my brushes. This is the V5 from BH Cosmetics. I have 2 of them. I have like 10 of them. It's my favorite crease brush. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer and just cut my crease with a small brush. This is the AOA F16. Try to do this on camera for you guys. And when I cut my crease, I do one side at a time because I want to use it while it's still tacky. Put the color on while it's still tacky. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Evergreen, which is the shimmery green shade. And it has like a little bit of a duochrome to it. It's like a yellow green. Got a little blue in there too, I think. Yeah, it's more like a yellow green. So I'm gonna go in with my finger as well and try to flatten that shade a bit. Then I'm gonna go in with Fiddlehead again and Emerald City mixed, just to blend out that outer portion. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. And now to boost up that shade a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Like a Moss. Just a Super Shock shade, also from the same collection. back in with Emerald City. Just on the outer portion again. So I'm going to go in with Fiddlehead on my lower lash line. And then a little bit of Emerald City. So I'm going to go do my eyeliner and my mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's the eye so far. I did my brows off camera as well. You guys can see. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, which is a Colourpop Spectacle. I'm just going to lightly put it on. I do it on my cheekbones and then through the forehead. A little bit on the nose. And I usually don't put any other like concealer or anything on because I like my skin to breathe. I'm just going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Stick Blush and Cool It. And I'm going to use this AOA F24 brush to like stipple it in. I don't use cream blushes a lot, but I want to try to use them up because I'm worried about them going bad because they're a cream product. And I don't wear a lot of blush or face products actually nowadays because of the whole mask thing. It just rubs off. Ooh, that's a lot of blush. I put too much on. So I'm just gonna use my fingers because I put way too much on. I usually put that more towards my cheekbones. I don't like too much right here because I'm naturally more red here. I'm going on the other side. Blend that out with my fingers. So for lipstick, I'm going to use Casual Dress from Colourpop and their Luxe Liquid Lips. And it's just a nude shade. And I like to blot all my lipsticks. Then I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu. This is the Aloe and Cucumber and Green Tea. And that's it. And that's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see any other tutorials, or I'm going to do a makeup collection soon, or anything else you'd like to see. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.